A very warm welcome to the altcoin of the day, and today I would like to buy for $100 Ontology with tick symbol ONT. It has a market cap of more or less $518 million. With a rank 27, it's into the top 30 traded. And if you take a look at the chart, this is the daily, the weekly trading navigator. On a daily basis, there's a sell, there's a stop loss on the daily basis, but if we take a look at the longer term, it corrected now more or less 20-30%, so 1/3 of the total move. There's a resistance area around 90 cents and support area around 80 cents, and I would like to pick some up at this point for the swing trading portfolio. And that means for $100 I would like to pick up some coins for the first move towards 1.10 as a first target. And we go to BBOD. The link is also shown below in YouTube in the editor and the description. And if you take a look at the price, the value, I would like to put $100 on the table, and 82.95. That is in the middle. You see the price. The bid is 82.46. The ask 77. So I would like to pick some up at 82.65. That is not good because market moving now away. Then I would like to increase the bid is now 80. Here you see $400 and I have some open orders here on the open orders here. The first two I would like to cancel. Here are still pending orders. I'm the best bid, and below it is 77, 80 again, open orders. Fill 2, remaining 10. That means 20% has been filled. I'm just watching because the offer is now 81, and I think soon I will be filled complete. And if you take a look at BBOD, here you see a very nice charting tool, and this is the hourly basis, severe downtrend. But as I stated before, now I'm completely filled. Of course, the offer is now 52, but doesn't matter. It's for the shorter term, and I've $0.25 loss minus, you can see. And here it is on the right side. You see on the scale 82.80. This is my position, blue line, and this is the profit. Total profit is $13.00. And the price is in the green, 64 traded. I would like to make a screenshot for you guys, and of course our premium members are the first who could profit from this move. Of course, always it's not necessary. No, it's not good because I have to put this one. I'll put like this one here. Okay. Again, like this is better. ONT. Bought at 82.80. As I stated before, I think that the first time will be 110. And on the shorter term, the €1, so $1 will be the round number resistance area. And but for the swing trade portfolio, people can buy the trade navigator for €497, including many bonuses. And I will be happy to give you also 3 months free from the service, Crypto Academy service, the swing trading portfolio services. So if you are happy to do that, feel free to subscribe. Anyway, I wish you a very pleasant evening, and hasta la vista. Ciao.